So I'm just doing some dumplings. I've done the festival. As you can see, the festival, they're here. Yes, you can see that. Beautiful. All right. Nice and golden brown. To that, we're doing also some dumpling. Yeah. So I'm just putting it in a bowl, and then to that, just work it in a round motion. Until you get the circle that you like. Flipping them over. I was only going to do festival, and then I was like, oh, I need dumpling. I need fried dumplings. I need fried dumplings, so I'm doing a bit of fried dumplings. So that's it. And that's all, only a little bit. I'm not going to be, as I said, times are hard right now, so the last thing you want to do is waste. And since the bank holiday, I'm not able to take to work and say, hi guys, I have lunch ready. So just showing you the festival. So I just take out one, and I'm going to just break it. Wow. Okay, see that? Okay. And they said that the proof is in oh wow. It's light, as you can see. Okay. And because I put in the spices, it's really nice. It's not too sweet. Okay. If you wanted it to be the festival to be more to be sweet, then you put the amount of sugar in it as you like. But I did not want it to be so sweet, so I didn't put in that much. So there's an hint of, you can taste the spices in it, and you can also taste a hint of sugar. So this is beautiful. And it will go perfect with my fried fish that's coming up shortly.